Here I've got ELEPHONE C1 Max, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then click on the More icon to open all the functions and click on My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you will be able to notice all the applications that should be updated. Just give your device a second to scan it. And here you've got it. And you can either update each application or you can update all of them at once. So let me start with activating the Speed update. Just click on Update right next to the application name. And at first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. It will take just a couple of seconds, and meanwhile you can use your device normally. So as you can see, it will not stop the normal usage of your phone, and once it's updated you will be able to notice it up under recently updated. You can also download all the latest version for all applications by tapping on Update All, and as you can see now it will be done. And obviously meanwhile you can do whatever you want to on your phone, and then all the applications will be automatically updated. So you can also check the progress here. And that would be all. That's how you can update applications in your ELEPHONE C1 Max. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.